So you probably watched Mr. Beast's video and you're thinking, how does he do all that? As you watch the video, you're just like amazed. But don't worry, today we'll have a look at 3 things Mr. Beast does and take it and implement in our videos. Number 1, be it jump cuts. Jump cuts are so important. You've probably seen Mr. Beast do this often, where he fast forwards a scene before going back to the original scene. That gets the heart rate of the viewers up, and then you take them back. Now they're more intrigued to kind of know what is going to happen. So that is so important. That is a jump cut in your video that you need to implement. Maybe you want to show certain action, fast forward it before you take it back. One of the other ways is captions. Captions are so important. As you can see from Mr. Beast's video, there is so many captions because it resonates with the viewers and it keeps their attention because it's popping up on the screen. And that's what you need to do in your next videos. If you implement the first action I mentioned, which was jump cuts, the second being captions, and the last being the B-rolls. You have to roll B-rolls in. You see Mr. Beast talking, and then while he's talking, you can see that another scene is running where he's explaining how that challenge works. So that keeps the viewers watching and thinking, okay, this is what is taking place currently, and yes, and it's almost like you're narrating it. Then he comes back to the scene where he takes people through that challenge. Those are the 3 things that I think is so important that you could implement in your videos. If you implement these 3 things, you'll surely see an increase in viewers and views retention and so on. So implement these 3 things. Let me know if it works for you, because I have seen it work for me. And if you've liked this video, you will like this video.